Welcome dear students. Today we will learn about measurement. In metric measurement, we will learn about measurement of weight, length and capacity. Measurement of weight means how heavy an object is. Measurement of length means how long an object is, and measurement of capacity means how much something holds. In today's class, we will specifically learn about measurement of length. Length is a measurement of how high, long or wide something is. In ancient time, people used different units of measurement. For example, their footstep, their hand span and their arm length. But the problem here is that the length of everyone's foot, hand and arm is different. That is why this is not a standard unit of measuring length. And because of this reason, some tools have been discovered which is having standard measurement in them. For example, a ruler, an inch tape, vernier calipers or screw gauge. When you have to measure your length or your height, we have to use an inch tape. Inch tape is measured in inches. If you have to measure small objects, we use a ruler. A ruler is graduated in centimeters, and the small lines in between each 2 centimeter is called millimeters. But if we have to measure distance between two cities or two countries, we need a bigger unit, and that is a kilometer. Each unit can be converted into another unit because they are related to each other. For example, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter, 1 decimeter is equals to 10 centimeter, 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter, 1 decameter is equals to 10 meters, 1 hectometer is equals to 100 meters and 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. There is a standard way of converting each unit into another. For example, you can see here there is a table in which standard units of measurement of length are mentioned. Here we have kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. The order in which these units are arranged having a difference of 10 in between them. For example, 1 kilometer is equals to 10 hectometer. 1 hectometer is equals to 10 decameter. 1 decameter is equals to 10 meter. 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equals to 10 centimeter and 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So if we have to convert one unit into another, we need to do either multiplication or division. So when you are going to convert a bigger unit into smaller unit, you will multiply. But if you will convert a smaller unit into a bigger unit, you are going to divide. Let us consider an example. Suppose we have to convert kilometer into meter. So we are going to multiply because kilometer is a bigger unit and meter is a smaller unit. So we will see that it's a difference of how many tens in between them. That is 10 into 10 into 10. That is 1000. So to convert kilometer into meter, we will multiply by 1000. Similarly, if we have to convert meter into kilometer, we are going to divide because meter is a smaller unit and kilometer is a bigger unit. So for this, again there is a difference of 10, 10 and 10. It means we are going to divide by 1000. Let us consider some example. Here we have to convert 9 kilometer into meter. Since we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, so to convert 9 kilometer into meter, we are going to do 9 into 1000. That is 9000 meter. Or you can say that to convert 6 meter into centimeter, you are going to multiply because meter is a bigger unit and centimeter is a smaller unit. and 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So we are going to write 6 meter as 6 into 100, that is 600 centimeter. So children, this is the way we will convert one unit into another. You can also try because many questions like this are given in your book and explore this topic more. Thank you for watching.